Discovering the giant, unveiling the world's largest tree. Welcome to the heart of California's lush forest, home to a natural wonder that towers above the rest. Meet General Sherman, the largest tree by volume on our planet. This giant sequoia commands respect and awe. Standing over 275 feet tall, it's not just its height that's impressive. With a 36-foot diameter, its size is unparalleled. Imagine a living being that's been around for over 2,500 years. General Sherman has witnessed centuries pass by. This tree isn't just a marvel of nature, it symbolizes resilience, strength, and the beauty of our natural world. Visiting General Sherman is a humbling experience, reminding us of our place in this vast, interconnected ecosystem. Let's pledge to protect these giants, for they are the guardians of our planet's past, present, and future.